Hello, I'm Samantha Flowers, aka Mimi. I own and operate a commercial worm farm right here in Valdosta, Georgia. We have over 22,000 square feet of dedicated worm growing space. On our farm, we grow in about 96 4x8 wooden worm beds and over 100 stackable 4x4 bins. In total, we care for millions of composting worms every single day. Through Mimi's Worms, we ship healthy composting worms, castings, and starter bundles all across the country. And through mimisworms.com, spelled M-I-M-I-S, worms.com, I share in-depth training, courses, and free resources to teach you exactly how we do it, whether you're a beginner or building something big. So if you're into composting, soil health, or worm farming, you're in the right place. I'm Mimi, and this is Mimi's Worms.
Hello everyone, it's Mimi again from Mimi's Worms, and I had a friend show me how to make one of these. We're going to use this to sift our compost because my Trommel stays busy sifting worms. And how this works is it's just on these glider rockers, and we have a string here, and you just pull it back in two, and it sifts, and stuff falls down under it. So all of your bigger stuff, I got a 1/4-inch screen in this one, so all the bigger stuff stays on the top. I guess you could use this to do castings if you wanted to. It's just hard to get worms out. I tried to sift some worms, but then it's hard because it's, 4 feet across. So I guess I could do like 2 feet by 4 foot and maybe make one that I could sift worms with. But it's just held together with these clevis pins, I think is what you call them. But it was very simple to make, and quite proud of it. I got this one's a little taller because I wanted to fit over 2 of these, and then that one's shorter because I'm not that tall. So I'm also thinking about making some like this just to put castings on to dry them, and because we get them when they're too wet, and then it just clogs up the trommel. So we'll see how it all turns out. All right, you guys have a wonderful day.